Welcome back, guys. We are back again with a new video. Explore the future of air travel with our top 5 visionary concepts, featuring the cutting-edge Orb Nomad plane with its sleek wings and modular interior, as well as the Volar Antelope concept vehicle, seamlessly blending terrestrial elegance with sustainable propulsion. These concepts redefine efficiency, sustainability, and the seamless integration of technology into our airborne experiences. Let's get started, but before watching the rest of the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. The VIION A5. The VIION A5 reinvents recreational aviation and lets you bring the exhilaration of flight to life like never before. Sport flying with the A5 is tailored to pilots who primarily fly for recreation, easy to fly, lightweight, and low operating costs. The state-of-the-art interface from Garmin has come to the light sport VIION A5, but G3X touch flight display with an optional 2-axis autopilot adds situational awareness and sophistication to the VIION A5 Limited Edition SLSA. This optional configuration offers advanced features and seamlessly integrates with the other Garmin avionics in the A5. VIION Aircraft announced that the new 4-blade lightweight propeller is available as an upgrade on a new A5 and can also be retrofitted on previous model years. Weighing approximately 8 pounds less than the previous version, the new propeller significantly improves takeoff distance by 10 to 12%, thereby increasing the versatility and safety of the aircraft. Volar Antelope. The Volar Antelope concept vehicle represents a cutting-edge fusion of aerodynamics and advanced automotive engineering. Designed for optimal efficiency and speed, this innovative concept integrates sleek, streamlined contours reminiscent of an antelope's agility, coupled with a state-of-the-art propulsion system that enable both land and air travel. Equipped with advanced materials such as lightweight composites and aerodynamic surfaces, the Volar Antelope maximizes fuel efficiency and minimizes drag. Its hybrid powertrain seamlessly transitions between electric and airborne models, harnessing sustainable energy sources for eco-friendly operation. The interior showcases futuristic design elements, integrating smart technologies for a connected and interactive driving experience. The Volar Antelope concept vehicle exemplifies a visionary approach to transportation, pushing the boundaries of conventional design and embracing a harmonious blend of nature-inspired aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. AeroMobil 3. The AeroMobil 3 flying car prototype was unveiled at the Pioneers Festival in Vienna, Austria in October 2014. Designed and manufactured by Slovakian company AeroMobil, the car can be used on the road and in the air and can take off and land using any grass strip or paved surface. Its body shell, wings, and wheels were constructed using a steel framework and carbon coatings. In addition, collapsible wings with a variable angle of attack reduce the takeoff requirements and enhance performance. The prototype is predominantly identical to the final product, which is expected to be integrated with the state-of-the-art avionic equipment, autopilot, and advanced parachute deployment system. Liquid and air-cooled engine which generates approximately 75 kilowatts or 100 horsepower. It burns standard gasoline and consumes 15 liters of fuel an hour in flight mode and 8 liters per 100 kilometers when driving on road. The AeroMobil 3 runs at a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour or 124 miles per hour in the air and 160 kilometers per hour or 99 miles per hour on the road. It takes off at a speed of 130 kilometers per hour or 81 miles per hour and flies to a range of 700 kilometers or 435 miles in air and 875 kilometers or 545 miles on road. The empty weight of the vehicle is approximately 600 kilograms. Tire flying cars. The tire flying car concept revolutionizes personal transportation by seamlessly integrating road and air travel. This innovative vehicle concept combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight, featuring retractable wings or propellers and vertical takeoff capabilities. The transformative design incorporates advanced aerodynamics for efficient lift and maneuverability while still maintaining roadworthiness for terrestrial travel. Equipped with electric or hybrid propulsion systems, systems. These tire-flying cars prioritize sustainability and reduced environmental impact. The interior is designed for comfort and functionality, offering a seamless transition between driving and flying modes. This conceptual leap in mobility reflects a futuristic vision where individuals can navigate both urban landscapes and open skies, redefining the way we perceive and experience personal transportation. Orb Nomad. The Orb Nomad plane concept redefines the essence of travel with a revolutionary vision for airborne mobility. This conceptual aircraft combines futuristic design elements with cutting-edge aviation technology to create a sleek and efficient flying experience. The Orb Nomad plane features a distinctive fuselage, enhancing aerodynamics and optimizing fuel efficiency. Its modular interior adapts to various travel needs, providing a luxurious and comfortable space for passengers. Powered by advanced propulsion systems, this plane not only promises impressive speed and range but also prioritizes sustainability through the integration of eco-friendly power sources. With its innovative design and commitment to environmental consciousness, the Orb Nomad plane concept envisions a new era of air travel that seamlessly blends style, functionality, and ecological responsibility. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to support us make more videos. See you in the next videos.